Yes. Amu was studying in first standard. Then, who joined the class in between? What was the
Priya. Priya.
very
Priya,
good
ma'am.
subjects do you, yes, which
Kannada and maths, ma'am.
very good. Priya found Kannada and maths very difficult. Initially, did Ammu agree to Priya? When Ammu's mother said, "Why don't you help Priya?" Initially, did Ammu agree to teach her?
No. No.
No, she did not agree. She said, "No, I will not teach her. She's a crybaby," right? Okay, so how did her mother? What did mother tell her? What did Ammu's mother tell her?
Not to make. Not going for meaning.
Very good, very good. Okay, very good. What did Ammu's mother say? Fine, you don't teach her, no problem, but next week your swimming classes, right? Okay, so because Ammu's mother told her that she will not be able to attend the swimming class, what did Ammu do? She taught Priya. Okay, Ammu taught Priya both the subjects. And was Priya able to get both the subjects? Was she able to do well in both the subjects? Ammu taught her?
Yes.
Yes, she did pick up the subject. Okay, she did learn from Ammu. And then one day, what happened in the class? What happened in the class one day? What did
Push
Ammu do?
one boy, ma'am.
Very good. Why did Ammu push the boy? Because Ammu was angry and she pushed the boy, right? What did the teacher do? What did the teacher do? Was teacher happy with what Ammu did? Yes, teacher was very sad. She was not she gave to Ammu. Teacher said that Ammu has to clean the board and the classroom, right? Teacher said you have to clean the board and the classroom. That was a punishment that that the teacher gave Ammu, right? Okay, then who helped Ammu in cleaning the classroom? Was Ammu able to do the cleaning all by herself?
Priya, ma'am.
Helped Ammu. Okay, Ammu was not able to do it all on her own. She was sitting and crying. And who saw this? Priya saw and she came and helped her. This is how Priya taught Ammu how to be kind. Okay, all of you all understood the lesson well, right? Okay. Yes. Okay, now take your English classwork. Okay, now take your English classwork. Quickly take your English classwork, your pencil and your eraser. Okay, take your English classwork, pencil and eraser. Take a new page. Take a new page. Write today's date. Okay, write today's date. Write down 17-8-21. Okay, write down today's date. 17-8-21.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Just give me a minute.
Okay, now can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you're able to.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay, now all of you all have written today's date. 17-8-21. Okay, make sure that you have written the date today. Next, in the next new line, okay, next new line, write capital L for lesson, capital L, put a small dash, write 3. Lesson number 3, capital L dash 3, put 2 dots, put 2 dots. Okay, and this side write down capital J, UST, just, capital J, UST, just. Leave a finger space, write BEING, 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 being. Leave a finger space, write down KIND, kind, JUST, just. BEING, being, kind, KIND, kind. Okay, just being kind. If you finish, just show a thumbs up that you have completed. Yes, very good, Melissa. Yes. Okay, now leave 2 lines. Okay, leave 2 lines. Write down Roman number 1 in the margin. Write down Roman number 1 in the margin. Okay, and then write the heading, capital N E W, new, capital N E W, new. Leave a finger space, write down WORDS, 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 words. Okay, new words. Okay, now leave a line, write 1 in the margin. Leave a line, write 1 in the margin. Leave a line, write 1 in the margin. Now write down SEL, FISH, selfish, SEL, FI. Yes. I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you said. First word is selfish, SELFISH. Okay, now leave a line, write 2 in the margin. Leave a line, write 2 in the margin. Okay, now write down FRIENDS, friends. FRIENDS, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Okay, now leave a line, write 3 in the margin. Leave a line, write 3 in the margin, write down.
Ma'am,
Yes, so
what is friend spelling, ma'am?
friends, it is F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Okay, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Okay, next, leave a line, write 3. Leave a line, write 3 in the margin. Okay, leave a line, write 3 in the margin, write down D-I-F-F-I, C-U-L-T, difficult. D-I,
Ma'am, you spelling what, ma'am?
which one, ma?
New.
New, capital N-E-W, new.
What is the third one, ma'am?
Third one is difficult, D-I-F-F-I, C-U-L-T, difficult.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pratusha?
What is shellfish spelling, ma'am?
Selfish, it's not shellfish, it is selfish, S-E-L-F-I-S-H, selfish. Okay, S-E-L-F-I-S-H, selfish. Second word is friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Please
Ma'am,
make sure that
what
you
is
leave
the
the line.
second one, ma'am? Ma'am, what is the second one, ma'am?
Second one is friends, F-R.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma'am. We'll just give time for the others also to write. Okay. Second one is friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S.
Finished, ma'am. Finished,
Okay. Third one, difficult, D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T, difficult. Please make sure that you leave a line after every word. Okay. Next, leave a line, write 4 in the margin. Leave a line, write 4 in the margin. Take down S-O-M-E, S-O-M-E-T-I-M-E-S, sometimes. S-O-M-E-T-I-M-E-S, sometimes. S-O-M-E-T-I-M-E-S, sometimes. Okay, now leave a line, write 5 in the margin. Leave a line, write 5 in the margin. Write down swimming, S-W-I-M-M.
ma'am. What is fourth one, ma'am?
Fourth one is sometime. S-O-M-E-T-I-M-E-S, sometimes. S-O-M-E-T-I-M-E-S, sometimes. Okay, next, fifth one, swimming. SWIMMING, swimming. SWIMMING, swimming. Okay, then leave a line and please continue writing one below the other. I do not have place, so I'm writing it on top. Okay, leave a line, write 6 in the margin. Leave a line, write 6 in the margin. Write down HOMEWORK, homework. HOME, home. WORK, work, homework. HOMEWORK, homework. Okay, then leave a line, write 7 in the margin. Leave a line, write 7 in the margin. Write TEACH, teach. TEACH, teach. TEACH, teach. Very good, Sonu. Okay, now leave a line, write 8 in the margin. Leave a line, write 8 in the margin. Write down EASILY, easily. EASILY, easily. EASILY, easily. Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, now leave a line, write 9 in the margin. Write 9 in the margin. Okay, now write down ANGRY, angry. ANGRY, angry. ANGRY, angry. ANGRY, angry. And the last word, write 10 in the margin. Okay, write down THANKS, thanks. THANKS, thanks. THANKS, thanks. Okay, hope all of you have finished writing all the 10 words. Okay, anyone who's still writing? Yes. Okay, now the ones who are writing. Okay, now the ones who are writing, let them write. Okay, I'm going to take the attendance now. Only the names whom I call will answer. Okay, please do not tell your name and say that you are present. Okay, Abhinaya is present, Charvi is present. Yes, Lingeshwaran.
What is the 10th one, ma'am?
10th one is thanks. THANKS, thanks. Okay, Chris Anna is there. I can't. Chris Anna, Christy Karunya also I cannot see. Danishta is present.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Danushta is there, Dikshita is there, Elshiba, Inchara, Meghana is there, Melissa. Melissa is
Present,
present.
ma'am.
Yes, Pratusha, Ria, Shweta, Aaron,
Yes,
Dion is
present, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I've given you. Aldrich is present. Alan, Andrew, Arun Nilan. Is Arun Nilan present?
Always present, ma'am.
Yes, Aldrich I've given you. Arul Nilan, I can't see. Daivik is present. Darun also I'm not able to see. Kushal is there. Likith, Lingeshwaran, Melvin, Nikhil V. Is Nikhil V present? Not Nikhil C,
Ma'am, sorry.
Nikhil V. Okay, the Nikhil C is present. Is Nitish V present? I'm not able to see.
It's present, ma'am.
Yes, Likith is present. I'm asking for Nitish. Okay, Nitish's name also I'm not able to see. Pranav. Yes, Pranav is present. Rakshit is present. Shibam and Varun all are present. Okay, thank you, children. Anyone has any doubt in what we did today?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Study well for your test. Okay, study well for your test.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Tomorrow's English class.
No. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
For the test, ma'am.
Portions for the test was given to you all last week itself. Okay, portions for all the three. For EVS, Maths, and for English, I've already given you the portions. I've also sent you the screenshots from the textbook as well. Okay, please study from that. Tomorrow's class, we will revise whatever portions I've given you for the test. Okay, so please study tomorrow. For tomorrow's class, I will be only doing revision in English. Okay, and on Thursday, you have 2 max period. 1 max period, I will be taking class. The other second max period, we will do some revision work there. Okay, and on Friday, you have EVS. EVS also, Friday's EVS class, I will take the class, but on Saturday's EVS class, we will do revision. Is that clear, children? So for tomorrow's English, please make sure that you study whatever was given in your portions. Okay? Yes. Anyone has any doubt? Okay, children. If you have no doubt, then we will finish with today's class. Okay? Thank you, children.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One more thing, ma'am is writing or reading.